What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. What's up, my stylish pearls? And I know you guys, it's been well overdue for another video. This is the last time you guys saw me. You gotta figure out what type of content I want to put out there for you guys, but I'm here with another video. I know you guys already saw me apply this wig unit. I applied it again. I don't know, I was just feeling a little bit reddish today, and I am so sorry for that. I'm sorry that you guys haven't really seen my face. You kind of see me behind the camera but not in front of the camera. So yeah, basically I am here with the first video, quarantine video, because I'm just ready for this whole thing to blow over, bypass it, and the virus and sickness can just be gone, you guys. Which I have been taking things for my immune system. So I'm really like trying not to come in contact with anyone, because I just know my body, y'all. You gotta know your body through this whole shenanigans or whatever. So we just gonna keep prayed up, stay prayed up throughout this whole entire virus thing or whatever you want to call it. It's a virus, it's a sickness, it's a virus. So yeah, you guys, but I actually would be showing you guys how I apply my glueless wig. I did use Got To Be Freeze spray. I did order the other Got To Be Freeze spray. It hasn't came in yet. I actually just got a package and I thought that it was my spray, but it wasn't. So I went ahead and just continued to use this because I wanted to try something else for my wigs, but I went on to use this. But yeah, you guys, I don't have on any makeup. I'm in the process of getting my skin together, you guys, which it has came a long way with my skin. I don't know what it is. I'm just very like, any little thing touch my face, it would just break out. So I've been literally trying to keep this hair out my face. I haven't been wearing wigs, y'all. So that's another reason why I haven't even been recording, because I haven't even been putting on wigs. I was thinking about dyeing my natural hair, but I was like, what the heck of dyeing it when I don't even wear it that much. But nothing more, nothing less, I'm back with another video. Natural skin, this is me. I think I look cute with or without makeup. First and foremost, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Turn your notification on so you guys can know when I upload a video, because I'm just gonna really try to do my best. I'm not gonna like just go crazy about it, but I'm really gonna try to do my best to think of more content to do for you guys and show you guys in this quarantine, because I actually got 2 DMs saying, can you upload a video? And they don't have anything else to watch. If you guys want to see how I apply this glueless wig unit, make sure you guys stay tuned for the video. Where the lace at? Can y'all show me where the lace is like? But yeah, you guys, stay tuned in the video. guys, welcome back. I'm gonna just show you guys. I let the scarf sit on my hair for about 20 minutes the most, so we're gonna just pull it out of there. What lace? Show me where the lace is. I don't know if you guys can see. Where the lace at? Show me where the lace is, because I don't see it. Ow. Wait. Love this red hair. I feel like it really complements my skin. Things like that. It's a bob. As you can see, it's shorter in the back, longer in the front.